Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Minvo. So Minvo is a tool that lets you transform your long videos into short clips, which means short form content that you can share on TikTok or any other platforms. And those clips are also going to have eye-catchy subtitles. You can also easily adjust the frame of the video. You can add emojis and there are a lot of other features. And the great news is Minvo is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $120, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So here are all of the features. The first one is AI moments, which means the AI is going to generate short clips from your long videos. There's this magic edit option that can automatically adjust your frame, automatically add caption, automatically add emojis and also cut your video. There's also fast AI processing, auto clip video shorts. You can also upload your own short videos. In order to add subtitle or adjust the frame, you can adjust the aspect ratio. There's ChatGPT AI writing assistant for creating social post, video description or video to article. You can also directly post or schedule your content on social media. There are various social media integrations and also there is going to be no watermark on the export. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59 and the video input minutes per month is 2 hours on the tier 1. You can export unlimited moments. You can have only one user. The file upload size is limited to 5 GB. There is also 90 days of upload storage. There is also license tier 2, license tier 3 and license tier 4 and the highest one is this license tier 5. So if you want to buy Minvo on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Minvo. After you log into Minvo for the first time, you are going to get this page and now you have to select what you want to do. So you can make shorts from a long video or you can also caption, add subtitle to your existing short videos. For example, I want to make shorts from a long video. Let's choose this one. Now there are multiple ways in order to import a video. You can paste the video link, the YouTube video link directly on here in order to create short content from that video, or you can also upload from your computer. And there are also some sample videos. So what I want to do is upload one from YouTube. So I have to paste the link on here. For example, I want to import this video. I want the AI of Minvo to create some shorts from this video. So let's copy the video URL. Now let's paste the link on this box and click on continue. So now I can provide some information about my brand. So first let's change this brand name and then I am going to upload my own logo. So here's my logo and then you can also select the default video language. Here are all of the language options. There are almost all of the language that you are searching for. And then all I have to do is click on continue. Now I can provide some information. So after filling all the information, just click on continue. So there you go. As you can see, we have got 4 short videos from that long video. And you can also see some description, the title. So this video is titled Unlocking LinkedIn Success. You can also read the description. So the same goes for this video. There is a title as well as the description. So here's another video. And a great feature is you can even see exactly from where this video is collected. So this video is collected from this particular time. Now let's play this video.
It's right there on their LinkedIn profile. Do they produce some sort of content? The activity section will show you recent posts they've shared or commented on. What about adding value? See if they're active on other social media and check out what they've been posting on those platforms.
So as you can see, there is subtitle and the video is also perfectly framed. So I have to say the shorts are looking pretty good. And on top, you can also change some settings such as you can change the template, the aspect ratio, the background music, caption style, and also the caption animation. So all of the shorts are also edited, but if you need to edit them further, if you need to add your own customization, you can also do that. So there are multiple options as you can see with each short. So you can edit this short, you can also trim it, you can also download it if it is alright. For example, I want to customize it, so just click on edit. So as you can see, this is the editor, the video editor of Minvo. And on the left side, you can see the full transcript of this short. And if you want to customize your subtitle, you have to do that on this transcript. So as you can see, on particular words, there is this emoji added by the AI of Minvo. So you can delete this emoji if you want. And you can also see some particular words are marked in different colors. So that is also done by the AI. And you can also see some words are bigger than the other. It is because they have bigger size. So you can also change the size. For example, I want to change the size for this show. So all I have to do is click on this super size. So as you can see now, it has become bigger. You can also change the color for this word. So as you can see now, it is set to red. And by using these sliders, you can also edit the length of the video or the moment. And then there are some other options beside this transcript. So you can see all of the templates. So here are all of them. You can switch to any other templates if you want. You can also change the background music. There are a lot of settings that you can change. And here are all of the royalty-free music. And then there are also some other options, such as you can add an intro. So you have to add the intro media file. And then you can also add outro. You can choose from different types of outro. And you can also change the background image. And there are some settings. You can enable or disable the title and the captions. And obviously at the bottom, you can see the timeline of your video. And you can see all of the elements that are added. So the subtitle, the music, the emoji, you can see the title, the background music. You can also use this split feature in order to trim your video. And on top, there is this magic feature. So there are multiple options on here. Using this magic frame, you can automatically frame your video. So this will make the frame focus on the speaker. And then there is this magic cut that is automatically going to remove your filler words or silences. You can also add emojis, relevant emojis automatically. And then you can also add medias automatically to your videos. And you can also do that manually. Just click on this insert. You can add emoji, image, video, GIF, text, logo, whatever you want. For example, you want to add image, video or GIF. So now this box is going to appear, which means on this box, the image or logo or video, whatever you add, that is going to appear. So on this right side, you can search for the GIF, video, royalty-free media. You can also import one using URL, or you can also upload one from your computer. There is also this animation and some advanced settings. And instead of depending on the AI to frame your video, you can also manually do that. So if you click on just the clip on this editor, as you can see, this frame is going to open. Now you can also change the frame however you want. And then you can set the frame exactly where you want. For example, the speaker is on this right side. So you can drag your frame on this right side and then set it on the right side. So this is how you can change the frame manually. And this is the single frame. You can also switch to split screen. You can also easily change the aspect ratio of your video from on top. So it is set to portrait. You can change it to landscape and also square. So on this short section, there are also some other features other than just these moments. So there is this transcript. So you can get the transcript of your video on here. And on the left side, you can see all of the shorts with their transcript. And other than just shorts, there are also these segments. So segments are longer than short videos. So as you can see, each of the short clip is limited to around 40 seconds. So this one is 37 seconds. This one is 36, 33. But these segments, they are longer. So from this video, from the video that I imported from YouTube, 2 segments are found using the AI. So the first one is this one, which is 4 minutes long. And then there is another one, which is 2 minutes long. So you can also see them. On the right side, you can see the preview.
If you are a serious job seeker trying to use...
And both on segments and shorts, you can also add new shorts if you want. If you are not satisfied with these 4 shorts, the same goes for these segments. You can also create another segment, a new segment from the video that you imported. And another great feature of Minvo is that you can even write content using the video that you imported or uploaded. So just go to this right. So there are a lot of things that you can do using this chatbot that is very much like ChatGPT, but it is going to help you for only videos. So there are a lot of things that you can do. You can write titles, YouTube descriptions, podcast show notes, timestamp chapters. You can also create social media posts, tweets, articles. So all you have to do is just write your prompt on here. And then you will get exactly what you want. There are also some suggested prompts such as write a promo post for social, write a 5-ways list article. So these are all of the promote templates. There are also prompts for show notes, for finding various things or refining. And you might also be interested in the roadmap of Minvo. So here is that. So here are all of the planned features. Here is one in progress features, and here are all of the completed features. So overall, I think Minvo is an excellent tool. It lets you generate short form content from long videos, and it is going to automatically add subtitles. It is going to automatically adjust the frame, add emojis. So a lot of your editing tasks are going to be handled by Minvo. As a result, you are going to save a lot of time on video editing. So if you want to buy Minvo on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 3 and license tier 4. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.